Well, it's our first day of scouting in Kansas, and it's not what I expected. I didn't know what this unit looked like before we got here, and holy fuck, it is a lot of big rolling hills, a lot of draws, no farmland. It's gonna be a son of a bitch out here. It's not what I expected at all. It looks like mule deer territory more than it looks like whitetail. But we're gonna give it a try anyways. Try to find some deer today and get on them tomorrow. A whole lot of nothing. It's opening morning in Kansas. Definitely not what I thought I was going to be out here. We drove around and scouted yesterday and saw a big buck. Jesus Christ, that's a fucking giant.
Did you pick him up?
Yeah. Jesus, that's a fucking monster. And I know it's a lot more dead rolling hills and grasslands than I thought it would be, but I don't know, I think we're in a pretty good spot here. We kind of changed plans last minute, and we were gonna walk way into this piece, like damn near 2 miles back, and try to hunt the draws on the way back out, but we ended up getting in. It's an iWeehaw. You have to put in for it at like 7:30 the night before you hunt, and we ended up getting it. So we're the only ones that are able to go out on this piece of property. It's like 430 acres. So it should be a pretty good piece. We looked on the map and it looks like there's a permanent blind on the north side of the property, which I assume it's baited. So I assume there's a guide or somebody hunting out there. But man, I thought there was going to be a pile of people out here and there was just going to be pressure everywhere. That's all I've heard about when it comes to Kansas public land. But dude, there ain't fucking nobody out here. It's just us.
Not a single vehicle.
Nobody. We saw one really nice buck when we were pulling into the Weehaw here this morning. 120 inch. It was narrow, but it was super tall. So we're gonna sit here till daylight and then probably grab the gun and boogie on in and see what's going on. There's like 3-4 fields in here. Looks like there's cattle in here, which there pretty much is fucking everywhere. But you know, Unit 14 definitely looks a lot different than what I thought it would, but I think we're in a good area, and I'll sit here for a few more minutes and we'll get going. Good. Scope it out. Hopefully we see something. obviously deer here. We're gonna keep working this fence line. See if we can jump anything up. We just got over here, looking down in this draw. As soon as we got up here, Brandel spotted a big ass buck, like way the hell out there, working down into the draw. So we're hoping they filter their way down past us here. It's way different hunting out here, but at least we're seeing deer. We're seeing big deer. Me and Brandel have sat here all fucking day. Haven't seen anything. We saw, it was a buck we saw last, or maybe it was a doe we saw last. I don't know. Last fucking deer we saw was at 10 o'clock. We've sat here all day. Haven't seen nothing. Not moving midday. Now when it's 68 degrees. What do you think about sitting all day?
Well, it's been a process.
What are you doing?
I'm elbow deep in this bag looking for a fucking lighter.
We're gonna smoke a couple pinners and I don't know, see if deer come out after that. He's going right into that pond.
Maybe I'll might bypass it or pull up to it. Sound off like this draw too.
This way. He comes down this way. They won't be in the fucking line. saw this morning running back and forth. And we were sitting here. We figured we had the draw here, and we knew there was a doe in it. So we were hoping when he came out, he wasn't feeding at all. It looked like he was looking for a doe. So I was hoping he'd just keep working his way over here. And I told Brandon, I said, he's not feeding, he's looking for a doe. And I was like, I know we got does in the bottom here. We just have to hope that he'd make his way all the way across the Weehaw over to here. And I could just see bits and pieces of him down in the draw. I had one shot at 300 I almost took, but he was moving. And then I shot at him on a walking shot. But he kind of stopped for a second, and I threw one at him, and it felt pretty good. It looked like he was hit, but it's a really nice 8-pointer. I didn't see him pop out of the draw anywhere after the shot, so I think he's bedded down right there. We're gonna get packed up and go see if we can find some blood, and hopefully we can find him. Nothing like sitting for 8 hours waiting on one buck. You made him. Fuck. Dude, I'm fucking shaking. He's not a monster, but I'm pretty fucking excited.
Nice shot, Red. Nice shot.
Holy shit. Jesus Christ, they're small deer. This is like a small doe from back home. Look at those big pedicles. That's I don't know, I'm pretty happy with that.
How you feeling?
I don't know if I pulled the trigger too early, but I would have shot that deer every fucking day back home. Oh man, that is crazy. Let's get some photos of it. All our shit here. Cool bit of yard sale going on here.
Yeah.
We got everything all cut up, bagged up,
Yep.
caped out.
Well done, Red.
Ah, team effort there, sitting on top of that hill for that long.
Nothing like working for 8 hours.
Oh shit. Yeah, that was a long sit. That's for goddamn sure. Ooh, this is gonna be a motherfucker. It's heavier than I thought it was.
Oh, well, Brenna's gonna earn some calves today.
Brandon's gonna be fucking dead today. Well, I'm gonna take both back legs and that. You're just gonna take both front shoulders.
Alright.
In the strap, so it oh fuck. I hauled out a whole mule deer in this, so you should be able to haul out half the whitetail in it. That whole mule deer made me hate life so bad.
I don't know how this video's gonna turn out either. I haven't really been paying attention.
You could probably kill her there.
There you are.
I broke my back. Spino, Mike Tyson.
Let's not break an ankle.
Getting her?
Yep. Straight to your left. I'm good at
You getting her?
straight to your left.
Yeah. It looks like a good cow trail.
I'm good at memorizing trails right.
Yeah. It's a fucking highway. We were about...
Yeah, I stopped it.
Huh?
I stopped the video.
Okay, yeah. I'm running mine here. We're probably half, 3/4 mile in. We got a ways to go. Holy shit. She was pretty rough. We made her though.
Yeah.
It was an all-day sit, no food or water. I couldn't even light a cigar on the inside of my sweatshirt. I would have burnt my fucking face off and my tits.
I
if
thought
I'd
you
have got
had
the-
her though.
Oh man, it was so close. Them bullshit matches I got. All right.
Bet you won't buy those matches ever again.
Fuck no. Let's smoke some cigars. See if they sell Bush Light in town. Go check out Victoria, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
Ooh,
Victoria.
burger.
I've been thinking about Victoria all night.